All right. Welcome traders. Welcome to loyalty. Where's your ESE? All right, we're going to get right into it because I see an entry point right now. We on ticker symbol FCX. Alexa, tell me about ticker symbols FCX today.
FCX is trading at $59.03, up 0.5% today.
All right, y'all. Here we go. Here we go. Well, this was an entry. Stop loss entry. Elephant bars. Elephant bars. Elephant bars. Elephant bar. So here we go. All right. All right. Well, let's go. Let's look at the rest of the crew. All right. It looks like everything is going downward today. Been no trading in that time. Like their volume is low. They got some little candles. All right. Where's your earnings was today? Earnings is today. So all right, let's watch Delta Airlines. It looked like they had earnings today. So if y'all bought into Delta Airlines, elephant bar, reversal, consolidation, probably want to put your trend line right here. Looks like it's going down. Alexa, what was Delta Airlines earnings today?
Delta reported Q4 2025 earnings of $1.86 per share on $16 billion revenue. Full year 2025 revenue was $63.4 billion with $7.66 EPS.
So did Delta Airlines beat earnings today or they missed earnings?
Delta beat earnings expectations by 3 cents but missed on revenue. Their 2026 guidance also came in below analyst expectations.
Thank you, Alexa.
You just made my day. Happy to help with those stock updates.
All right, so with that being said, let's watch Delta today. Let's check Delta out today, and then we gonna do it today. Bam! This is for my people. So we gonna take a break from the 20 and 200 today. We just gonna watch. Let's look at it. I'm just moving it over so y'all can see the. Let's see what Delta do today. We gonna check out the other ones, but we gonna see what Delta looking like today. Since they had earnings. All right, so y'all see our support and resistance line, support and resistance line, support resistance. I want to say it's a support line. So a possible upcoming phase reversal. Yeah, I want to see some bars. Y'all want to see that little smack. All right, so it's a little. Let me see. That's the 2 hour, the 15-minute, and the 5-minute. Okay, FCX light. It has a short. We'll check that later. All right. Could put your well, no. I ain't like I can press back. All right, y'all. We gonna need one with that. Let me see, but so if this would time it open, this is open. It's at 70. Bear started 8 bars ago. So it started 8 bars ago. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 bars ago, it started a bearish trend. They go out Bobo, mobile bar. It says bullish test for supply, possibly upcoming phase reversal. We got a warning sale. So I know this when it can make earnings, but it didn't make revenue. So in my opinion, it's gonna go down. Like, subscribe, comment. Oh yeah, I am not a personal. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for show. So I would not buy or sell anything. This is not for that. At this point, I'm just telling what I would do. So, yeah. Yeah, fill that up. All right. Let's go to my what's it name and fix that up right quick. But y'all see the bars.
The confirmation. If we can get a move up.
All right, we got a long trigger on Delta. So it could be going up. Let's see. Going up. We had 60. Now what he looking at? The NASDAQ. Something is happening. Says show no demand, a sign of weakness. So let's see what it do. And then we got the red. So there's no that too is going bearish. All right. Color change. Wells Fargo got a long signal. All right, so let's look at here. You got the color change. It's going long. We're going to get an elephant bar. My prediction is an elephant bar. But I could be wrong. Where would you put your entry, your stop sign, your stop loss, and your exit point? What's your ESEs, baby? It's a 15-minute chart. I just switched it to the 15-minute chart. All right. All right, so it looks like we riding close to the 20. We riding close to the 20, but it's like it's going in the downtrend. FCX going in the downtrend, going bearish. Check a little zoom out, see what it's looking like. Boom. So it looks like it's just catching up. Again, they went oh, they don't go. So let me see. Entry, stop loss. Ride the momentum, baby. Ride the momentum. Wells Fargo got the same thing. It cleared that bar. Color change. Stop loss. You see, Citibank they going along too. What is in between here? I'm gonna do something right quick. Let me see something. Yeah, it was a doji. So we had the doji, y'all. If y'all know what dojis are, it's a sign of reversal. So that was your I want to say, I guess, color change or tail. Stop loss. Ride the momentum. Let's see, the target price is 120. Will it hit 120? Target price is 71.24. Look like we're gonna hit that. $71.24 to the upside. Y'all see it. All right, so we know that was a doji. We're gonna go back and put the color back. Put. All right, so we know that was a doji, so we see a big gap. It's a doji. This must have been a bunch of dojis. But AA got their color change. Like I said, AA long cleared the bar. There you go. You're welcome. Like, subscribe, comment. Watch FCX gonna go. Watch FCX. You watch the FCX. Matter of fact. That's all right. Okay, cool. Ooh, the FCX. No, I don't want to go there. Basic. Take off the 50. Take out the Blvque. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. All right, so now we see what's going on. Switch the time. Put it on the 5-minute chart. All right, so you see your MACD screaming bearish. RSI is bearish. Yet, let's see what this is gonna go. So I watch it's gonna be a arrow, blue arrow. I'm calling it. I could be wrong. It look like I'm gonna be wrong. Matter of fact, when this crossover, we gonna see. So when the MACD crossover. Alexa, what's going on with ticker symbol FCX?
FCX is trading at $58.87, down 2% today. Bank of America recently upgraded their price target to $68, citing it as a buying opportunity in copper.
Oh shit. Oh snap. I'm sorry, y'all. So at some point, y'all know earnings is coming up real soon. Damn, that'd be a good entry. Well, no, a good trade to make. Alright. So let me see. So I have let's see if I can get some music playing. Let me see. Boom. Messages. All right. Forgive me. I'm playing dominoes too. You can't just watch this all day. You gonna go, ooh. I'm not gonna lie, it gets a little boring. Alright, we got a little music to play. Alright, shout out to me. Let me shout out my boy. Let me shout out my boy. Hold on. Alright, introduce my boy right quick. Mr. Omar Collier, Georgia. Playlist. You know, he out of Georgia. You know, let's listen to some of his music. See what he talking about. Ain't going. You know what? We gonna go from.
But it ain't showing. Talking cash shit, buddy in the mouth blowing. Roll the dope and have the smoke and get my Jeep blowing.
RSI is going up.
And I ain't going. They say they got love for me, but it ain't showing. Talking cash shit, buddy in the mouth blowing. Roll the dope and have the smoke and get my Jeep blowing. Now it's me against the world and I ain't going. Mesmerized by the money, think before you move. Early bird get the worm, never hit the snooze. If you fail to make a plan, then you plan to lose. Operation observation.
We got long trigger, we got short trigger.
But I ain't tossing shoe. Get your brain scooped up by a gumshoe. Ladies digging on the vibe.
Let's talk right for a quick. So FCX is going down. We got some other ones going along. I told y'all going long, boom. Going long, boom. Boom. Going long, boom. Going long, boom. I said it. I said it. It's going long. They finna go long. FCX. Clear the bar. All right, we're looking at FCX. And some more Mr. Cartier.
Boy to move, so they come in twos. They get chopped and screwed, but I play it smooth. So rockin' apple juice. I'd rather see my bread accrue before I see you new. First for me, but it ain't showing. Talking cash shit, buddy in the mouth blowing.
So again, now you would have got here because you got the you close to the 20. However, I called it down here, so let's just look at FCX. Going up.
I hear the price bursting. Ain't nothing new under the sun. Came off able. So you better watch the brothers eating at the table. They say they got love for me, but it ain't showing. Talking cash shit, buddy in the mouth blowing.
Alright, so you see the RSI is going up. MACD from the cross. Let me check out what I got going on. Let's see what I got going. MERO. I'ma squeeze these roaches. Oh, look like we got a color change. Look like we got a color change. What we gonna do? Look like we got the sellers. Look like the sellers are coming in. That was Mr. Omar Cartier. Ain't going. Let's see what else we got. Dosage. Hold on, I gotta make my play. This motherfucker is hitting my ass. All right, traders. We can get out of FCX. Look like it hit the resistant. Like the 200 is the resistant. Wells Fargo is, yeah. All right. What is she looking at? All right. So yeah, we seen our color change. Color change. Everything bars. So we see it, y'all. We see it. We seeing it, y'all. We are seeing it. Looks like City Group is gonna go down for a bit. All right. All right. I'm gonna do something. They probably kick me off here, but hey, so what? You got to try somehow. You got to get yourself out there some way, somehow. See my videos. We live. Get shareable link. Oh, I'm gonna be bogus for this. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna build my audience organically. I'm finna put my link in somebody else's well-known trader in his link, but I'm not gonna do that. I should though. All right, y'all. We see what we see. We see what we got going on. Upcoming earnings. Excuse me. That's all I was gonna do. My bad. I ain't got no hashtags. All right, let me see. All right, let me see what I got going on here. All right, boom. I see yesterday I just did something. Yeah. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Matter of fact, let me see this. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna do this. Boom. Show more Copy this. Show more. All right, let's see what we get. City group is going bearish. Everything's going bearish. What goes up must come down. I think he's gonna hit bearish to the 20 and jump back up. Something just triggered. So FCX got a long trigger. Let's see what we're gonna do. Oh, we got a trigger. It's near 20. It's near 20 moving average. All right, we don't got to look at that no more. We can take that off. All right, y'all. We seeing it. We seeing the elephant bar. We see the color change. Boom. Took out that bar. This ain't take out this bar yet. So we gonna wait to see what this is gonna do. It might go down though. FCX one going bullish. Roll. All right, let's see what this does. Boom, bye. I'm gonna go to a trade that I'm currently in. Mario. Let's see if we get a up signal. I guess we're trying to clear this bar now. Clearing this bar. We cleared this bar. Stop loss. I'm just gonna call it, but forget it. Stop loss. We gonna see. We gonna see. Oh, like it's going down. Nope. Like the Bulls and Bears are fighting. They don't know which way they want to go. You know what? This is what I'm gonna do. Let me see, Bull. So somebody just bought 1,900 bars, 5,800 bars. Ooh. What are they gonna do? Look like it's gonna go bearish. What y'all think it's gonna do, chat? Bullish or bearish? We already got the bullish signal right here. What we gonna do? All right. So it's well over the. I would have took profit. Should we put our trend lines? All right. Look like it's going. Uh-oh. Let's see. We got a green bar. We got a green bar, people. All right, I'm gonna take a little break. Let's listen to some more OZ, Mr. Omar Cartier. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Thank him for providing us for some good music. I'm taking the break, y'all. Look off of that.
All I got in this world is my word of mouth, and I ain't breaking neither one off for none of y'all. All I got, all I got, all I got, all I got in this world is my word of mouth. All I got in this world is my
All right, Mr. OZ or Marcotia. My words and my balls.
My lord and my balls?
Word. Oh, hell no. Fuck that dude did it. Damn it. Okay, we got an elephant bar. Got an elephant bar. Is this candle gonna take out this candle? Let's wait and see. Something just triggered. SCX don't know what he wanted to do. Boom, 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 boom. All right, let's look at this. So AA, excuse me. Let's look at ticker symbol AA. Oh, excuse me. No, that was DAL. That's the airline. AA got a short signal. They got a short signal. So they going down. Everything else going down too. So your MACD crossed over. You see where it crossed everything. Look. If you ride it up, look, you see where the cross at? Then RSI going down. Now it's going back up. Let's see what that's going to do. Boom. Good entry. Color change. I'm sorry. I like to wait at least 10 seconds before it closes. I need a timer for each bar. Let's see what this doing. Uh-oh, is he gonna clear the bar? Is he gonna clear the bar? We're looking at this ticker right here. We're gonna put that right there, see if he clear the bar. You're gonna keep that right there. Stop loss, exit, all that good stuff. As you can see, we are bouncing off the 20. I mean the 200, I'm sorry. We're bouncing off the 200 on the 2-minute chart. We might go down. It looks like we're going down. Got just enough just to go back down. I'm sorry, this is not no earnings. I'm gonna go to someone with earnings, upcoming earnings. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. All right. So it looks like we're gonna hit our price target of $56.28 before we hit 61.29. But I could be wrong. Look at the MACD. MACD is going downward, going bearish. All right. This one here is just consolidating. Let's look at TAL. So this was yesterday. Today. Trend line for today at 12. Wells Fargo got a short signal. We got a short signal. There you can go. All right. Well, let's see. What would you have put your ESEs? Stop loss for sure. So if you would got in a stop loss, no, well, yeah, put the stop loss down here under your tail. That way you would still be in trade, you're still profiting. Or you could have put it right here. Why? Because we're trading close to the 20. Way close to the 20. I've seen that so many times.
Who's number one? Jay-Z? No, that's cool. It's okay. That's legal. That's
always been Drake.
That's okay. I thought Drake was gonna be number one. Ames don't even on the list. Eminem? Who else was on the list?
Gucci Mane?
Gucci who? Gucci Mane? What's on the list? Eminem wasn't on it?
Shout out to my nigga Gucci.
Shout out my nigga Gucci. Who don't belong here? That's easy. Magic Johnson. Yeah. Everybody got on long sleeves. He got on short sleeves, so I guess he didn't get the memo. He don't belong in this picture.
Instead of refinancing your home or messing with your mortgage, there is a better solution. If you need cash now, just go to Lengo. All you need to do is answer a few quick questions to see how much you'll get. It won't affect your credit score or your mortgage. And you don't even need to put in your social. Plus, you can use that cash for whatever you want. I left the link below. Tap now, and you will thank me later.
All right, y'all. What we got going on here? All right, look like Citigroup finna take back off again. Citigroup finna take back off again. Wells Fargo look like Wells Fargo might be taking off again too. All right, let's see when this bar closes. All right, y'all. I think at 11 I'm gonna be closing it down again. But where's your ESE? Where's your entry? Where's your stop loss? Where's your exit? AA, watch AA finna get a blue. What I say? What I say? What I just say? What did I just say? $69.46 the price target. C finna get a let's see what C gonna get. Citigroup. All right, everything okay. I see I called that one, but we'll see. Let's see what AA is. All right, so we, excuse me, we're looking at the 2-minute chart, ticker symbol AA. It kind of look like it's you. Okay, so we're gonna put this right here. Now let's see if it bounced off that line right there. If it gonna bounce off the 65.91 line. All right, stop loss. If you get in right here, we on the 20, so let's see what it do. Let's see what it do. Uh-oh. All right, let's check something out, y'all. Let's check something. Let's check this out. Oh, it's definitely finna go up. Let's get that one off there. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. That's a bar. We got any color change? No color change. Yeah, probably right here, but no. Well, yeah, put the stop loss. Now let's see what direction will this go? Delta Airlines got a short trigger. All right, so okay, so let's see the price. The target price is 58. Now let's see. Right now it's saying it's over one of them bought oversold. I never get that. I never get those right. But however, I know it's down here, so it has the room to go up. MACD still going. The bars are getting smaller. So let's see if we have a crossover coming soon. So if this bar clear this bar, if this bar clear this bar, look for it to go down. Look for it to go bearish. All right, 15 minutes. We're going to go to the... let's see what it's doing. Do. Right now, just like it's consolidating. Don't know if it want to go up or down. So right here, we realize we're over. Uh, all right, let's see what we're gonna do. Y'all say put some more OZ on. All right, I acknowledge my fans. So let's put some more OZ on. All right, KTP.
They say it costs to be the boss, but don't know the price. Hungry days, long nights, all the sacrifice. Shine bright like a diamond on this little light. Don't slip, get tricked, crushed in that vice. They say it costs to be the boss, but don't know the price. Hungry days, long nights, all the sacrifice. Shine bright like a diamond on this little light. Don't slip, get tricked, crushed in that vice. Between a rock and a hard place. I talked to God and I did pray. They done gave me life the hard way. Now I'm up there like houseway. If you ain't added, you subtract and bro, do the math. I'm in my own lane, walk the least travel path. They pump your head up, give you cash and watch you crash. Have you gone in milliseconds like a camouflage? Learn fast and die, ain't the latest trending motto. Do you potato for bravado without showing sorrow? I'm out high, burning 5 days in Colorado. They say my flow is hard to follow with your head hollow. They say it costs to be the boss, but don't know the price. Hungry days, long nights, all the sacrifice. Shine bright like a diamond on this little line. Don't slip, get tricked, crushed in that vice. They say it costs to be the boss, but don't know the price. Hungry days, long nights, all the sacrifice. Shine bright like a diamond on this little light. Don't slip, get tricked, crushed in that vice. Between a rock and a hard place. I talked to God and I did pray. They done gave me life the hard way. Now I'm up there like houseway.
Let's get back to our
Fake
stuff.
real niggas drawn up every day. Flying from the introduction, talking on the lake. And true colors hard to hide, listen what they say. Jealousy coming all shapes.
Y'all wrong, trigger on TAL.
Knocking at my door and I ain't afraid to answer. My ancestors stirred problems in the non-factors. Why waste my energy? Beat it in the anger. Flip the switch, get it back, start a new chapter. They say it costs to be the boss, but don't know the price. Hungry days, long nights, all the sacrifice. Shine bright like a diamond on this little line. Don't slip, get tricked, crushed in that vice. They say it costs to be the
Boom,
boss, but
took
don't know
out.
the price. Hungry days, long nights, all the sacrifice.
Took out that.
Shine bright like a diamond on the little light. Don't slip, get tricked, crushed in that vibe. Between a rock and a hard place. I talked to God and I did pray.
All right, y'all. We see everything we need to see, y'all. Where's yo? Nah, I ain't gonna do it. Where's your exit, your stop loss, and your entry? I said that backwards, but y'all know what I mean. Look at Citigroup. Citigroup might take off again, y'all. Look at Citigroup.
What they eat don't make me shit. Tighten up and got legit. I'm a money hungry junkie and the hunger never quits. Kiss and tell him I don't do it. Ask me nothing.
PayPal being shorted.
Just being holy, bro. Ain't beefing by no bitch. What they eat don't make me shit. Tighten up and got legit. I'm a money hungry junkie and the hunger never quit. Kiss and tell him I don't do it. Ask me nothing. Pay the bill. Let a hoe just be a holy, bro. Ain't beefing by no bitch. The way they rushing to them early birds, I swear they scared a little.
All right, y'all. Look like FCX got a long signal. What time is 11:30? Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Mm, 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 mm. Say you the number one. Someone that's not able to say what? That's what they telling me. All right. All right, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Who got a C-Train got a long signal? I told you. I told you. Let's see what FCX doing. Like it's losing steam. Mm. All right. So everybody, you know the concept. Like, subscribe, comment first. That's what we gonna do. But we know the concept. We looking for color change, elephant bars, trading to the 20. The 20 and the 200. Well, 200, 20, 200, 20, 200. So right here, this on the two, it's on both. This is gonna shoot up, watch. Or either fall. One or the other. We see our target prices. So you can't say you ain't. I ain't tell you. Can't say I ain't tell you. FCX don't know what they want to do. TAL consolidating. It's been like that for like all day. It's been like that all day. Around the 20. Yeah, what I would do, I would put a what was the option? Damn, I can't think of it. I know it is, but I can't think of it right now. You can start with an S. Well, anywho, yeah, because it's either gonna fall or rise. The way it's riding the 20, the way it's riding this 20 is gonna pop. Let's look at hold on. Doji. What that's gonna do? What it's gonna do? We're gonna go out for a minute. Let's look at the big picture. Okay, so the big picture, the big picture. So it already popped. So right now, I guess everybody gonna take profit. Now the earnings. When is the earnings? Alexa, when is ticker symbol TAL earnings?
TAL's next earnings report is scheduled for January 29th, 2026.
So January 29th. January 29th. So I want to say this is they're going to take some profits before the 29th. That's what I would do. You see, you see how far it is from the 20? See how far the price is from the 20? So I'm pretty sure they're taking profits. But just in case, boom, you still ain't got a short signal. So what's the day? Wednesday. What's the day? Tuesday. So if you got in today, this was yesterday. This today. Y'all, I promise y'all, this is the longest I have ever looked at a map. A chart consecutively in consecutive days. I'm kind of proud of myself. I know ain't nobody watching, but hey, we gonna get there one day. We gonna get there one day, y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna shit. I already did a pop. I already took. Yeah, ain't no finna do nothing right now. Mm-mm. Who's your boy sleepy? All right, y'all. I got about 15 more minutes almost. What's your ESEs? Can you identify them? So let me see something. So again, so if we want to do your trend lines, we're gonna put some trend lines up here right quick. Well, why we doing it? We just looking at it. But yeah, fuck it. Let's put some trend lines on here. There it is. We're gonna put some trend lines right here. I thought I did this already. I probably erased it. So the trend line, okay. We're going from the earnings in May. Matter of fact, this is what I'm gonna do. This is the first time I did this, so I'm gonna see. We're gonna put a channel. I ain't never put a channel on here. So that's what we gonna do. We gonna put this channel right there. All right, let's see what it's gonna do. My guess is I say it's gonna fall. So I would short this again. I'm not a financial advisor. What I would do, I would short it. I would short it to like 10 or 11, 11.21, or yeah, just short to 11.21. Gotta get rid of some old habits. All right, that's all right. It looks like JP Morgan has upgrade. Ooh, so yeah, it's gonna go up some more. It's been upgraded to $16. We don't got none of these irons on here. All right. Seems like I'm just gonna get mine from here. All right, so we better switch it up, y'all. Again, the notion is to go under $20. All stocks under $20. Oh, let me show y'all my FinViz. Show y'all my FinViz setup. All right, so we got. I think I showed this already, but we got options for earnings, short squeezes. These are mergers and acquisitions, unusual whales. So let's look at some of these. Right now, we're looking at the upcoming earnings. Let's see short squeeze setups. PD. All right. So it look like it scores already. We got an alert. C trend going long. Oh, going short. Not said C trend. I'm sorry. So it looks like this is the ceiling. Ceiling. The ceiling trend line. This is the challenge for today. Should I put that on here? Nah, I'm not gonna put that on here today. Boom. So look for 66, 67, 67, 60. Look for that. Let me see, 67, 60. So about right there. All right, you know what? Let's put that for the target. Damn. 67, 60. Damn. Damn it. All right, I ain't finna keep doing that. But this is the part that the target price, target price, target price, target price. $92. Yeah. All right, like, subscribe, comment. Where's your entry, stop loss, and exit points marked at? Where's your stop loss, entries, and exits? What do you also do? Trade close to the 20. So let me see. This morning when it opened, if you would have got in when it opened, if you would have got in when it opened, you still would be in the trade. You would have had like a, let me see, bowl. You would have had $1. You would have got $1 positive here. A gain of $1. Looks like for this one, it looks like it's getting shorted. So yeah, I would look for it to go to the bottom here. 67. Look for the price to go drop down about 67, and so forth and so forth. Here's our little indicators on where they're gonna go. Bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish. And with that being said, we gonna like, subscribe, comment. That's what y'all gonna do. Y'all figure out y'all entries and stop losses and exit points. Another day. Alexa, you want to sign off? I guess she's not talking. So with that being said,